Think fixing a car is free? You're wrong. Mechanics charge over $100 just to look under the hood. Crazy, right? According to Cars.com, average car repair costs between $300 to $500 just for the smaller fixes, and this can go way higher. But don't worry, that's why I'm here. Today, I'll show you 14 car repair secrets that will save you over thousands of dollars each year. And at the end, I'll reveal 2 simple hacks that will save you thousands alone. Number 1, don't overlook your spark plugs. If your engine starts acting up, rough idling, slow starts, or poor fuel economy, bad spark plugs could be the reason. The fix? Surprisingly simple. Most spark plugs cost less than $10 each. That's a small price to pay compared to a major engine repair, which can start at $4,000 or more. Replacing them on time keeps your engine running smoothly and saves you from serious trouble down the road. Maintenance tip: check and replace your spark plugs every 30,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manual. It's a quick, low-cost fix that protects your engine and mainly your budget. Number 2, never skip an oil change. Think skipping an oil change saves money? It actually does the opposite. Old or low oil can lead to serious engine damage, and that's one of the most expensive repairs out there. Getting your oil and filter changed costs about $75 to $90. That's the price of one family meal, but it protects your engine from wearing out early, which could cost thousands to fix. Pro tip: change your oil every 5,000 miles or follow the schedule in your owner's manual. It's a small investment that keeps your engine running smoothly. Number 3, don't ignore a clogged PCV valve. Your engine needs to breathe, and the PCV valve makes that happen. It's a small part with a big job. It keeps pressure balanced and harmful gases out of your engine. Think of it like your car exhaling, but when this little valve gets clogged, trouble starts. Rough idling, increased oil use, power loss, and worst of all, engine sludge like clogged arteries for your car. Ignore it long enough and you're looking at expensive repairs. The good news, it's easy to check and even easier to replace. Just shake it. If it rattles, it's fine. If it doesn't, swap it out. This quick fix can save you more than $250 in engine damage. Pro tip: inspect the PCV valve every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. It's a tiny part that protects your engine in a big way. If you're facing rough idling, click the link above to learn about the 11 signs of a bad PCV valve that only mechanics know. And if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to our channel as it helps us bring you more honest car advice. Let's move on with the next secret. Number 4, keep your battery terminals clean. A little white or bluish powder on your battery may not seem like a big deal, but it is. That's corrosion, and if left unchecked, it can stop your battery from working or even cause damage. Replacing a car battery can cost over $250. Add a tow truck to that, and the bill climbs fast. But here's the fix: a simple $5 wire brush. Just a quick clean every now and then keeps corrosion away and your battery in good shape. To avoid, check your battery for corrosion and test it twice a year. Number 5, don't ignore worn out brake pads. Hearing a squeak every time you hit the brakes? That's not just noise, it's a warning. Your brake pads may be wearing thin, and ignoring them could lead to much bigger and more dangerous problems. Replacing brake pads can cost up to $300 per axle, plus labor if you're not doing it yourself. Yes, it's an investment, but driving with bad brakes is risky, and no one wants to find out the hard way that they won't stop in time. Maintenance tip: every time you get an oil change, check your brake fluid. If it's dark in color, that's a sign your brake system may need attention soon. Number 6, keep an eye on your suspension system. Your car's suspension, made up of shocks, springs, and struts, keeps your ride smooth and stable. It's easy to forget about until your drive starts feeling more like a bounce house than a car ride. If one shock wears out, chances are the others aren't far behind. Replacing all 4 at once may feel like a big expense, but it keeps your car balanced and protects other parts from extra wear. Maintenance tip: inspect your shocks and suspension system every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Catching problems early helps you avoid bigger repairs and keeps your ride safe and steady. Number 7, don't overlook your windshield wipers. Wipers might seem like a small detail, but when visibility drops, they matter more than anything. Replacing them can cost around $50 to $60, depending on your car. It may feel expensive for such a tiny part, but safety comes first. If your wipers aren't clearing the windshield properly, you're putting yourself and others at risk. A crash caused by poor visibility will cost far more than a set of new blades. To avoid, check your wipers at the start of each season. If they leave streaks or skip across the glass, it's time to replace them. Number 8, skip the coolant flush, unless your car begs for it. Ever been told you need a coolant flush right away? Chances are it's more sales pitch than real need. Most modern cars don't require a flush until around 50,000 miles, or even later. Coolant today is built to last for years, and flushing it too soon, that's just money wasted. Here's the smart move. Check your owner's manual first. If the coolant level is low, looks dirty, or your engine is overheating, then yes, a flush is necessary. But if everything looks good, no need to say yes just because someone suggests it. Pro tip, follow the manufacturer's guidelines and only flush the coolant when there's a real reason or if it's at least 5 years old. Skipping unnecessary flushes could save you at least $150 every few years. Number 9, always check your spare tire. Most drivers forget about the spare until they desperately need it, but finding out your spare is flat after a blowout, that's a disaster waiting to happen. A quick air refill costs less than $1. Skipping it could cost you hundreds in towing fees, not to mention the stress and delay. To avoid this, check the air pressure in all your tires, including the spare, once a month, and rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles for even wear. It's a simple habit that can save you serious time and money when it matters most. Number 10, inspect your timing and serpentine belt regularly. Belts and hoses may not grab your attention, but they play a critical role in keeping your engine running. If a belt wears out or a hose cracks, it can lead to overheating or even a complete engine shutdown. Ignoring these parts can cause serious damage to other systems in your car, turning a simple fix into a costly repair. Maintenance tip, replace your timing belt every 60,000 miles. Replace your serpentine belt every 40,000 miles. Swap out hoses every 4 years, or sooner if you spot any cracks, leaks, or bulges. Catching wear early protects your engine and prevents major breakdowns. Number 11, don't forget to check your lights. Your car's lights do more than help you see, they help others see you. Headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and parking lights are all key safety features. If any of them stop working, you're not only at risk on the road, you could also get hit with a costly ticket. Worse, a ticket for a broken light could raise your insurance rates, so a quick monthly check can save you money and help you avoid dangerous situations. Number 12, don't miss your emissions inspection. In many states, and even some countries, your car must pass an emissions inspection to stay on the road. It's not just about rules, it's about safety, performance, and keeping the air cleaner for everyone. If your vehicle's well maintained, it should pass with no trouble. But if it doesn't, the inspection center will tell you what needs fixing. That's valuable information because driving a car that fails emissions can lead to bigger problems and even fines. Maintenance tip, get your car inspected once a year or as required by your state. Check with your local Department of Motor Vehicle to know exactly what's needed where you live. As promised, here are 2 secrets that can save you thousands in repairs. Number 13, always use your parking brake even on flat roads. Think the parking brake is only for hills? Think again. Skipping it can quietly damage your transmission and leave you with a repair bill in the thousands. Here's the issue. Your transmission has a small part called the parking pawl. Its job is to hold your car in place, but it's not designed to handle the entire weight of your vehicle every time you park. Over time, it can break. That repair alone can cost $1,000 to $1,500. Ignore it long enough, and you might need a full transmission rebuild, costing up to $5,000. The solution is simple. Use your parking brake every single time you park, even on level ground. It takes just a second and protects one of the most expensive parts of your car. Number 14, don't forget to replace your cabin air filter. Your cabin air filter protects you from dust, pollen, and pollutants that try to sneak in through the vents. It keeps the air inside your car clean and your AC system running smoothly. But if that filter gets too old or dirty, it can strain your air conditioning. That means poor airflow, bad smells, and expensive repairs. Servicing the AC can cost over $500, and replacing it entirely, that can run between $1,300 to $2,500. Pro tip, change your cabin air filter every 12 months months or 12,000 miles. It's a simple fix that protects your health, your comfort, and your wallet. Now, if you have found this video helpful, then be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.